Microsoft is moving billions toward AI while restructuring parts of its workforce. Toyota is spending billions expanding manufacturing in Texas. Boeing opened another 737 MAX assembly line. PlayStation put a future cutoff on physical disc production for new releases. And SpaceX built a business where rockets can support an internet network. These aren't small product updates, they show where major companies believe the future is going. Microsoft's workforce restructuring created an uncomfortable contrast. At the same time, the technology industry is pouring enormous capital into AI infrastructure, servers, data centers, cloud capacity, AI computing. The business question is where the next dollar creates the most value. AI isn't simply another software feature. For big tech, it can require power, chips, data centers, and massive capital investment. The controversy is obvious. Does AI help employees become more productive? Or does it eventually allow companies to redesign work around fewer people? The answer may differ by job, but the investment direction is impossible to ignore. Toyota's Texas investment tells a different story. The company plans a major expansion at its San Antonio manufacturing campus. Some Tacoma production is planned to shift from Baja California to Texas. Toyota is not abandoning Mexico, it's changing how production is divided. Why does location matter? Tariffs can matter, supply chain distance can matter, production speed can matter, and proximity to customers can reduce certain business risks. The product is the truck, but the competitive system is the supply chain behind it. Boeing's new 737 MAX assembly line in Everett is its fourth final assembly line for the aircraft program. Boeing wants to increase production toward 52 jets a month by early 2027. The new line doesn't magically solve Boeing's problems. The company has faced production problems, safety crises, and supplier challenges. But airlines still need aircraft, and Boeing needs capacity. There's another challenge. Building faster means nothing if confidence and quality don't improve with output. Boeing isn't only trying to build more airplanes, it's trying to prove it can deliver them reliably. Physical game discs created an entire ecosystem: manufacturing, packaging, shipping, retail, resale, collecting. Digital distribution changes that chain. New PlayStation releases are set to move away from new physical disc production beginning in January 2028 under the announced plan. Existing earlier releases are a different issue. The business advantage of digital distribution is clear. One platform can control the storefront and deliver the game directly, but players lose some physical behaviors: sharing, reselling, collecting. The real question isn't whether digital is coming, it's how much customers are willing to give up for convenience. SpaceX is fascinating because the rocket isn't the entire business story. Reusable boosters can spread expensive hardware across multiple missions. That changes launch economics. But SpaceX also built Starlink. Now look at the business structure. Launch infrastructure provides access to orbit. Starlink uses orbital infrastructure to provide connectivity. One business helps create access. Another service is built using that access. That's vertical integration. The strongest companies may not stop after building infrastructure. They build businesses on top of it. Microsoft is betting on AI infrastructure. Toyota is changing its manufacturing map. Boeing needs capacity and confidence. PlayStation is moving deeper into digital distribution. And SpaceX combines infrastructure with services. Which changes the biggest? Comment the number. Like if you learned something new. Share this with someone following business. And subscribe to The Business Story.